Finally this evening, the pandemic has changed pretty much every part of our lives, including what we drink and what it comes in. And we are in an apparent aluminum can shortage, partly because of all those curbside restaurant orders. And as News Center Maine's Sam Rogers shows us, local brewers may soon feel the pinch.
Delivering some of the suds by seaplane, beer in cans for flight deck brewing. The Brunswick-based brewery adapted during the coronavirus pandemic.
Instead of making beer for people to enjoy at the brewery, we started making beer and packaging it for people to enjoy all over the state.
Packing all that beer into cans.
Before COVID, we would manufacture maybe hundreds, maybe a couple of thousand of cans at one time. We're now producing tens of thousands of cans in any given month.
So many that the nation is in an aluminum can shortage. Don't worry.
Breweries are definitely still brewing beer.
Executive Director of the Maine Brewers Guild, Sean Sullivan, says one reason for the shortage is the trade tariffs with Canada. He adds breweries are required to order cans in bulk, and with the current shortage,
you're required to order a minimum of 3 or 4 semi-loads of cans. There are a handful of breweries in the state that can manage that.
Damon's Beverage and Redemption Center in Bangor knows a thing or two about aluminum cans.
Oh no, this is completely an anomaly. It's out of the blue. No one was able to expect it. No one was able to predict it.
Manager Dave Maxon adds another reason for the shortage is wholesalers are selling out of cans months in advance of what they predicted. And breweries are ordering fewer kegs because fewer people are drinking inside right at the bars.
All of that has shifted completely over to cans. There are places, small craft breweries, that don't even put anything in kegs right now because there's no need to do it.
Small breweries like Liberator Brewing Company in Rockland. But this brewery typically only sells to-go beer in growlers or bottles.
However, I have looked into it, and they seem like they're getting harder and harder to get.
Harder to get during a time when breweries are looking to expand to-go service as colder weather approaches.
When the winter comes, what do we do?
Maine's breweries hoping for more cans by snowfall. Until then, order your beers in bottles or kegs. In Bangor, Sam Rogers, News Center, Maine.
And Nate Wilds of Flight Deck Brewing says the brewery is hoping to expand its retail sales in Maine if the can shortage sorts itself out in the coming months.